Remove the screw on the tensiometer near the cable. Then fill it up with clean water and make sure to evacuate all the air bubbles from the tensiometer. Replace the cap, making sure that the gasket is in good condition and well positioned. Choose a location representative of your field for the installation of your station. If you know the location of your drains, choose a location 1/3 and 2/3 away from 2 drains and 1/3 and 2/3 away of 2 irrigation sprinklers. Also, keep away from the dikes. The solar panel must always face south. Once the location has been chosen, insert your station into the ground by pressing on the steel support and not on the device, and never use a hammer to insert the device. Install the support of the PVC temperature sensor away from the device. You can use a hammer to insert it into the ground only if you have previously removed the sensor from the holder. Insert it until the sensor is at bud level. It may be necessary to adjust the installation height over the season. Remove the rubber from the probe to insert it in the holder, then reinstall the temperature sensor in this rubber. Make a hole using a garden shovel, taking care to save this soil for later. For the cranberry, the installation is done at an angle to have the middle of the white ceramic at 4 inches or 10 centimeters and have 1 inch or 3 centimeters of soil covering the tensiometer. The tensiometer must absolutely be covered by the ground, otherwise the tension will be erratic. Replace the soil, making sure there is good soil contact between the ceramic and the ground, and making sure to not leave any space between the tensiometer and the ground. Finally, replace the plant cover above the tensiometer. For a station with a shielded temperature sensor, simply insert the support into the ground by pressing on it. Never use a hammer to insert it. The sensor should be at 3 inches or 8 centimeters from the canopy. For a station with a water level sensor, make a hole using a ground auger with a diameter of at least 3 inches or 8 centimeters and at least 63 inches or 160 centimeters long. Put the soil in a bucket to fill the perimeter of the pipes once it has been installed. Then insert the sensor at the bottom of the pipe. Measure the part out of the ground and remove it from the length of the pipe of 59 inches or 150 centimeters, which allows to know the installation depth of the sensor. Then enter this information in Arolas in Advanced, then Sensors, and modify the installation depths of the sensor.